बोलता है। Morning, all of you. Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, first we'll discuss yesterday's homework. What was the first sentence? Hello.
Father said to me, will you post the letters?
So, who will do this? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Shaurya Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
वो ये someone who is Shivam ji. Shivam. Hello. Hello, Shivam. Shivam, can you hear me? Shaurya Raj. Shaurya Raj. Shaurya Raj. Okay, Mohit. Mohit Kondilya. Mohit, can you hear me? Mohit,
Yes, ma'am.
answer this. How will you change this to indirect speech? What do you use in yes no question? You were present in yesterday's class, Mohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you written these notes in your copy?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me, how will you change this to indirect speech? Father said, will you post these letters? This is a yes no question. How do you change yes no question? What word you use? Mohit,
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ.
Father said to me,
Ma'am,
will
can I
you?
wish you?
Wait, let him up.
Father
हाँ बोलो.
Father said to be, will you post the letter?
What did you change in this? You did not change anything. That means you were not concentrating in the class.
Father
What do you use in yes no question?
Father said to would would you post the letter? This letter.
Nahi, yesterday I gave you the notes. What do you use in yes no question? यस नो क्वेश्चन में क्या लगा के चेंज करते हैं, ये मैंने कल लिखवाया था. That means you have not written the notes, Mohit. Very soon school is going to reopen, and after that all of you have to submit your copies. You know, in the first phase, 10th and 11th and 12th, and the second phase, it is your chance only. So hopefully by the last week of July or first week of August, school will surely reopen. Mhm. So you haven't written the notes, Mohit.
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं लिखे हो, क्यों?
हम लिखे हैं.
तो लिखे हो तो आंसर करो.
Fa- Father said to me, would you post this letter?
वुड में यूज करते हैं या यस नो क्वेश्चन में क्या यूज करते हैं, वो मैंने कल लिखवाया था. आई गिव यू द
Ma'am, may I answer?
वेट. समवन हु डजंट रिस्पॉन्ड. पूजा कुमारी. पूजा, ये अच्छा, पहले इसको एडमिट कर. सुरभि कुमारी. सुरभि. प्रियांशु रंजन. Priyanshu, why your name is showing twice? Surbhi. Pooja. Surbhi, Pooja. No one. Okay, Anurag, you answer.
Father asked me if I would post those letters.
Yes.
Posted those letters.
No, post only. Because if you change will to would, you have already made it past. Father asked if I would post. No past tense. You shouldn't use posted. Posted जो है वो wrong है. ठीक है ना, तो क्या यूज करना है? पोस्ट यूज करना है. Would post, and these changes to those. Okay, what is the second sentence? Mohit, did you understand now how you have to change?
Yes, ma'am.
If लगाना है या whether लगाना है? कल तो लिखवाए थे. That means you are not concentrating in the class. Parents have lot of money, Mohit. They are paying the fee and you are not studying. Is it so? Hello? Okay. So what is the second sentence?
Ma'am, my friend said to me, is the novel interesting?
If you are not studying, you are not fooling anyone. You are fooling yourself. Huh? Don't think you are having a nice time. You have to regret later on if you don't study now. Who will answer this? Someone who has ये Musharraf Jamal 9B. Musharraf, can you hear me? Mohit, you want to try this? Ashish Kumar, 9B. Ashish Kumar, 9B. Ashish, no response. Aditi Kumari. Aditi, okay. Vijay Lakshmi, you answer. Vijay Lakshmi is present today. Hello. Vijay Lakshmi is present. Hello.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Pooja, yes.
My father asked me if
Yes.
if I
If Pooja, I think there is some network issue. So who will answer? Akansha?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my friend asked me if this novel is if it's a novel.
If the novel? Repeat your answer, Akansha. Hello. If the novel was interesting, here you have to use the past tense. Okay, what is the third sentence?
She said the gardener is watering the plants.
She said the gardener is watering the plants. Who will answer? Two people are. Aryan Kumar? Aryan Kumar, can you hear me? Ashish Kumar? Ashish? Ashish? Hello. Okay, Vishakha, you answer. Vishakha?
She asked if the gardener was watering the plant.
Sir, it is not a question. ये क्वेश्चन है, ये क्वेश्चन है, ये तो स्टेटमेंट है, इसमें इफ नहीं लगाना. Anurag, Shrija, Vishakha. Okay, Vishakha.
Ma'am, may I
She
answer?
asked the gardener
May I answer? Ma'am, she said that the gardener is watering the plants.
She said that the gardener. Again, you have made
Was
one.
Ma'am, she said that the gardener was watering the plants.
Yes, Akansha. Now it is correct. She said that the gardener was watering the plants. She said that the gardener was watering the plants. Okay, what is the fourth sentence?
Mother said, please clean the room.
Mother said, if it is not given to whom something is said, that then you can use me or him or her. Then you have the choice. Okay, who will change this? Uh, Aditi, Ashutosh Kumar, Ashutosh Kumar, Priyanshu Ranjan, Priyanshu Ranjan. No response. Okay, Srija.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay,
Mother requested to clean the room.
to whom mother is said is not given. So,
Yes, ma'am. Mother requested to clean the room.
okay. So now we will move on to WH question. In WH question, what do you use? WH question
Ma'am, whether or if.
नहीं, वेदर और इफ नहीं लगाते,
No
यही तो
connect
नंबर
कर
है,
सकते।
ये याद रखना है. इन WH
No,
questions,
हम WH वर्ड ही लगता है.
in WH questions or questions beginning with what, when, how, whose, where, etc. Do not use whether if. So this is important. In all questions, you do not use whether if. You use whether or if only in yes no questions. Is it clear? सारे questions में whether या if नहीं लगता है, सिर्फ yes no question में लगता है. Then use the same question word. Invert the word order. What does this mean? Example like
ma'am, for example, if the direct speech is, she asked, what are you doing? Then it will be changed as, she asked what I was doing. Ma'am, here question is changed into statement.
so. What you have to remember is that in yes no question you use whether if, but in WH question you do not use whether if. So this is important. You should remember this. In WH question, what do you use? You use the same question word, but you change the word order of the helping verb and the subject. Invert means what? Interchange. What are you doing? So here how will it be changed? She, of course it is a question. In all questions you are using asked me
What I was doing.
I. So see this subject, it has come before, ये यहाँ आ गया, what I, and this are, it has come later. So this is the invert, means change. Here you are changing the word order, what I was doing. So you understand how to change questions? See,
Yes, ma'am.
she asked me what I was doing. Mother said.
Ma'am, in WH questions, we also have to change the tenses.
Repeat your question, Vishakha. Hello. Vishakha, your voice was not
WH
clear.
questions, we also have to change the tenses.
Yes, you have to change the tenses. Here you have changed R to was. You have to change the tense. So you can write it if you want. ये third में. Here you can write
Okay.
it. Change to corresponding. Here you have changed R to was. We'll change this. Vijay Lakshmi. Pooja Kumari. Pooja. Hello. Anurag, you want to try this?
Yes, ma'am.
Pooja, you want to?
Mother,
Okay. Yes, Anurag.
mother asked me,
Ma'am, mother asked to leave the house.
Me? Yes, Anurag.
Ma'am, to leave
where
the
I,
house.
To leave the house. Where have you kept my purse? Read the sentence. Yes, Anurag.
mother asked me where I have kept her purse.
Mother asked me where I had. Have will change to had.
Had
Kept her purse.
her purse.
Yes. Janvi, you want to answer this? Janvi? Shivam Raj? Shivam Raj. Pooja.
Rohit asked me where I will go.
Yes, Rohit asked me where. Now did is past, so it will be changed to past perfect. Where had I gone? Where I had gone. Yeah, what order will change? It's clear? So a question is clear how you change?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll change this. Shubham Kumar. Shubham.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, answer.
Yes, ma'am.
ये इसको आंसर करो शुभम.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, let Shubham try. Those who don't make any attempt. Shubham, same pattern. How other these two sentences have been changed. Same pattern you have to follow. Hello. Okay, Shreya. Shreya, I can see your name. Shreya, 9B. Shreya.
Yes.
Answer this. Hello.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Mohit.
He asked me how could I bought this book.
He asked me how I.
How could
नहीं, how he could. He
Could.
he. How he could buy
Uh.
that book.
book?
This will change to that. So he asked me, this boy, he has left 6 or 7 times. Now I'm not going to admit him. Priyanshu Ranjan. Okay, he asked me how he could buy that book. Is it clear? Then
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, इस sentence में ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, how could he buy that book?
नहीं, इसको चेंज होगा ना, ये इंटरचेंज हो जाता है. When you are changing into indirect speech, you have to interchange.
Okay, ma'am.
How will you change this? Hello. Why is the attendance so less today? Shivam Raj. Shivam. Shivam, can you hear me? मुशर्रफ जमाल. नाम दिख रहा है लेकिन कोई रिस्पांस नहीं. Okay, who will do this?
Ma'am, Srija.
Can I?
She asked me how I was.
Okay, she asked me how I was. Okay. So exclamatory is left, that we'll do some other day. Okay, yes.
मैम इसे कॉपी में लिखना है ग्रामर की.
Yes, you have
Ma'am,
to
can you
write.
please scroll the screen?
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Who is this? Janvi. Okay, I'll admit Janvi, but not this boy. Okay. What preposition you'll use in the first sentence? I'll give you two options.
मैम with
Ma'am, she is
Ma'am,
married
wait.
to him.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
wait.
she is married to my cousin. Ma'am, to my cousin होगा.
Ma'am, wait.
No, married to. Addicted.
Two drugs.
Two drugs.
two drugs.
Yeah.
Two drugs.
Addicted to drugs.
Of murder.
Of murder.
Of murder.
Of murder.
Of.
Cow feeds on grass. Women are fond
Ma'am,
of
fond of
jewelry.
jewelry. Ma'am, fond of jewelry.
Fond.
होगा.
Fond means like.
Love.
Fond means like. So fond of jewelry. Cow feeds on grass.
On grass.
On grass.
He was born to rich parents.
Yes. Born to.
मैम 6th क्वेश्चन में अगर रिच फैमिली होता तो मैम क्या नहीं होता.
क्या? Rich family. तब अलग हो जाता. He was born in a rich family. So
मैम अगर 6 मैम क्वेश्चन ये मैम रिच की जगह मैम रिच फैमिली होता मैम इसका आंसर भी रहता.
नहीं, वही तो बता रहे हैं कि if it is rich family, then the preposition is in. He was born in a rich family,
Yes
but he
ma'am
was
in
born to rich parents. If it is family, then the preposition is in. But if it is parents, then the preposition is to. Uh, you use the word according to the meaning of the sentence. He deals dash stationery. In or with?
With.
With. He
With.
deals with stationery.
No, he deals in
with
stationery.
stationery.
In. He deals in stationery.
With everyone. With
Here you
everyone.
use with.
With.
So, it depends on what follows. What preposition you are using, it depends on what the meaning it conveys. So you can write these sentences in your copy. Or if you are not able to write at present, you can write when I send the video.
Ma'am, I can't see what
By.
you've written.
We should abide by the rules.
Yes, we should abide by the rules. Should abide by the rules.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of abide?
Abide means follow. Abide by the rules. Abide means follow.
Ma'am, can you please say the sentences while you write it too?
What did you ask, Srija?
Ma'am, I was saying, ma'am, I was asking you to speak the sentences while you wrote them.
Okay. So we should abide dash the rules. Screen is not visible.